Welcome, architects and engineers. Today, we move beyond the buzzwords to dissect the 6 fundamental subsets of artificial intelligence from a systems engineering perspective. For the modern software architect, AI is no longer a black box. It is a distributed systems challenge involving massive datasets, high-throughput compute, and complex orchestration. We will analyze the hierarchy, starting from the broad umbrella of artificial intelligence down to the specialized niches. Our goal is to understand how these subsets interact within a globally scalable environment, focusing on high availability and low latency inference patterns. As we navigate through machine learning, deep learning, and specialized domains like NLP and computer vision, keep in mind the infrastructure trade-offs: compute density versus memory bandwidth, and deterministic logic versus probabilistic output. This is the foundation of ultra-scalable intelligent systems. Machine learning is the engine of modern AI, shifting our paradigm from explicit if-then logic to pattern recognition via statistical modeling. For infrastructure engineers, this means managing diverse workloads across 3 primary paradigms. Supervised learning requires high-performance data pipelines for labeled training sets. Unsupervised learning demands efficient clustering algorithms that can traverse massive, unorganized datasets. Reinforcement learning introduces the challenge of agent environment loops, often requiring low-latency feedback mechanisms in real-time systems. Scaling these patterns globally involves partitioning datasets and orchestrating model training across distributed clusters. Understanding the difference between these types is critical when designing high-availability training pipelines, where data drift must be monitored and mitigated to ensure model accuracy over time. Deep learning represents the subset of ML utilizing multi-layered neural networks. From an infrastructure perspective, DL is the most resource-intensive, requiring massive GPU or TPU clusters. The architecture centers on neurons and layers, where feature extraction occurs automatically. Key mechanisms like backpropagation require high-bandwidth interconnects, like NVLink, to synchronize gradients across nodes during training. For architects, the challenge is model sharding, breaking a model across multiple GPUs when it exceeds the memory of a single device. High availability in DL environments often means creating inference pools that can scale horizontally to handle millions of requests per second. We must optimize the forward pass for latency while ensuring the backpropagation phase is optimized for throughput during retraining cycles. Natural language processing bridges the gap between human communication and machine understanding. For software architects, the primary concern is the sheer scale of modern transformer-based models. NLP workflows involve complex pipelines: tokenization, where text is converted into integers; embedding, where those integers are mapped into high-dimensional vector space; and finally, inference. Scaling NLP requires specialized vector databases for retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, and low-latency caching strategies for common queries. Sentiment analysis and translation services must be architected for high availability, often utilizing geo-distributed inference nodes to reduce round-trip time. The computational cost of maintaining state and long-form conversations requires efficient memory management and KV cache optimization to prevent latency spikes as tokens accumulate. Computer vision involves extracting high-level understanding from digital images or videos. The architectural backbone is typically the convolutional neural network, CNN. Unlike NLP, CV is extremely bandwidth-intensive due to pixel data. For global scaling, architects often push CV inference to the edge to avoid uploading massive video streams to the cloud. Object detection and image segmentation require high-throughput processing to maintain real-time frame rates. When designing these systems, consider the image-to-inference latency budget. For example, autonomous systems often require sub-10 millisecond response times. Infrastructure engineers must manage specialized hardware, like FPGAs or ASICs, designed specifically for the matrix multiplications inherent in pixel processing, ensuring that the visual perception layer remains resilient even under heavy load. Robotics is the subset where AI interacts with physical environments. The architecture moves from data in, data out, to sensor in, action out. This requires sensor fusion, integrating data from LiDAR, cameras, and IMUs to create a coherent world model. For engineers, the challenge is simultaneous localization and mapping, or SLAM, and the kinematics of movement. The infrastructure here is often a mix of real-time operating systems, or RTAS, and distributed control planes. Scaling robotics involves fleet management, ensuring thousands of autonomous units can share maps and learning updates without saturating local networks. High availability means designing fail-safes. If the AI controller loses connectivity, the local kinematic controller must maintain stability. This is the ultimate test of low-latency, high-reliability systems design. Expert systems are the oldest subset of AI, focused on emulating the decision-making ability of a human expert through rule-based logic. While modern ML is probabilistic, expert systems are deterministic, making them critical for highly regulated industries like finance or medicine. The architecture consists of a knowledge base, the facts, and an inference engine, the logic rules. From a scaling perspective, these systems are highly efficient as they don't require expensive GPU cycles. However, they require complex knowledge engineering to maintain. Architects use these systems as guardrails for LLMs or as standalone engines for complex compliance checking. The challenge is maintaining the rule set at scale. How do you update thousands of rules across a global cluster without causing logical conflicts or downtime?
Building HA patterns for AI requires a multi-region strategy. Because training is often centralized due to data gravity, inference must be decentralized. We use patterns like shadow inference to test new model versions alongside production versions without affecting user experience. Circuit breakers are essential. If a complex deep learning model's latency exceeds a threshold, the system should fail over to a faster, simpler machine learning model or an expert system. We also monitor prediction drift in real time. If the statistical distribution of the input data changes, the high availability system must trigger an automated retraining pipeline. This ensures that the system is not only up in terms of uptime, but up in terms of accuracy and relevance. In conclusion, mastering the 6 subsets of AI is about more than just understanding algorithms. It's about architecting the infrastructure that supports them at scale. From the statistical foundations of ML to the physical demands of robotics and the deterministic rigors of expert systems, each subset presents unique scaling challenges. As we move towards AGI, or more autonomous agents, the role of the software architect will shift towards managing intelligence orchestration. We must build systems that are sustainable, ethical, and resilient. Focus on reducing the carbon footprint of your compute, ensuring data privacy through federated learning, and maintaining a high availability posture that can withstand the unpredictable nature of probabilistic systems. The future belongs to those who can scale intelligence as reliably as we once scaled the web.